Hello, it's Mr. Wagner here with the day four summary. I apologize, this has taken a little bit longer to get posted. I've definitely been enjoying my 3-day weekend, and I hope you have been too. Um, so you can see here on this slide what we're going to do in this video. I'm going to quickly review the day four slideshow. I'm going to preview the Pear Deck and show you how you can still do it. I will do a quick little run through of bond length and checkpoint 3, review the hub, and then try to remember to wish you a happy 3-day weekend. So for day 4, we were looking at atomic radius and bond length. On Monday, Tuesday class of this week, we talked about atomic radius, and so today we did a little review and then took it the next step. You can see that after a warm-up, we finished the atomic radius trends with the Pear Deck, and then we did checkpoint 3. So the atomic radius Pear Deck you can find in the student hub, and I'll show you that link later. But right now we have set it to where it is a student-paced activity, and you can go through and try to answer the questions. I would say that if you're trying to do this activity and really get feedback, you could record your answers in like a Google Doc or even just in a direct email and send them to Dr. D or myself, and we can give you feedback. Or I also believe that if you just finish it, we will see that and be able to, tell you how you did if you are interested in knowing. And it's only 11 slides. There's some good questions in there to really make sure that you know the trend of atomic radius. After that, we really wanted to think about why atomic radius, why bond length, why do we want to know about any of these things? And it's really all ramping up and culminating in us learning about bond energy, which will be coming up in the following week. And so as you can see on this slide, what the graphic is showing is that if you have two atoms, we'll call this atom 1 because it has radius 1, and we'll call this atom 2 because it has radius 2. If they are going to bond, their bond length should be, in a perfect world, the sum, right? We're adding the sum of both radii. And so that is a concept that you will need to use when you are doing checkpoint 3. We'll go over checkpoint 3, we'll go over the hub, and just as a quick little reminder, middle of the video, little plug, office hours Wednesdays from 1:30 to 3. Dr. D and I would love to see you there. So the rest of class was working on checkpoint 3, which you will find on the platform, but I will go over it right here. Very first slide, you can click here and it'll take you to the last slide where there are some instructions. And I would highly recommend you watch the examples video. You review the modeling expectations, and then this gives you just a little rundown of what you have to do on each slide. If you're only just now watching this on Monday, then you got some work to do. Hopefully you can finish this ASAP so you're not falling behind in chem. Anyways, slide 2, there's yours truly made a video doing an example of an atom, a bond, and a molecule. Slide 3, data slide. You will use this data unless there is data already on the slide. So on something like this, there's no data for you. You got to use slide 3. But on these two slides, you use the data on the slide. Slide 8, you need to make a model of this molecule. And once again, you can use the data from slide 3, boom. And then slide 9 is just instructions. So one thing you should know as a heads up is the day 2 warm up and exit ticket have been closed. Those can no longer be submitted, but you can still do day 3. And if you missed class for day 4, then you definitely want to make sure you do the day 4 warm up and exit ticket, which can be found right here and right here. And the Pear Deck I showed you earlier is right here where it says Pear Deck review. The day 4 slideshow I've been working off of right here. Vocab sheet, boom. Dr. D made a pretty cool little atomic radius trends infographic. And then this is the same YouTube video that is in checkpoint 3. So all of this is here for you. Please remember, if you have any questions at all, to email myself or Dr. D. We want to help y'all, like, no matter if you've missed a bunch of class or only one class or no class, please reach out if you have questions ever. All right, I think that is enough. Hopefully you feel summarized, and I'm going to stop the recording. So peace out.